Meaning of earl.
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 Earl. An earl is a nobleman in the United Kingdom ranking above a viscount and below a marquess. The term originated in Anglo-Saxon England, where it was used to refer to a high-ranking royal official. Over time, it came to specifically denote a member of the nobility. Earls are typically addressed as lord, and they have various ceremonial duties such as formalizing the appointment of new peers. Today, there are around 200 earls in the United Kingdom, and the title is still considered one of the highest honors that can be bestowed upon someone in the country.